Good morning, everybody. I stayed at this nice little stop just outside Creston, BC. And there's a nice, there's actually just a nice creek running just along here on this side. Anyway, there was tons of garbage here from just people that are, able to free park. So I always carry these disposable gloves with me, and I picked everything up, which amounted to this bag of stuff, which is a lot of garbage just to be left. And when you find these free spots, it's really nice. I'm grateful for it, finding them, and trying to give back by just cleaning up. But hopefully more people will start cleaning up their mess behind them because they're enjoying a free spot and abusing it. But anyway, I'm having a fantastic day out here, and the nature is so wonderful.